Do subscribe my channel, never miss my updates. Raghu Neat Tutorial.
Hi, welcome to all. Welcome to my channel Raghu Neat Tutorial. After completion of the fat soluble vitamins, now today we are discussing about the water soluble vitamins. We know that the water soluble vitamins are two. What are they? The B and C. The B is a complex in form, C is in only one. What are they? B and C. B and C both are water soluble vitamins. First one, today we are discussing about the water soluble vitamin. First one, vitamin C. Vitamin C. The vitamin C is scientifically called as a ascorbic acid. Called as a ascorbic acid. The source of the vitamin C in what is that? Acidic fruits, nothing but lemon, pomegranate, vegetables. These are available in acidic fruits. Acidic fruits like lemon, green leaves, and vegetables. Green leaves and vegetables. So these are source of vitamin C. Next one, the functions of vitamin C. So it is useful for formation of gum, nothing but development of the gum and the formation of teeth. Development of teeth and formation of gum. Formation of gum. The healthy gums are, you have healthy gums, that is caused by vitamin C. If the deficiency of vitamin C, it is caused by the scurvy. What is the scurvy? The deficiency of vitamin C in your diet, that is leads into scurvy. In this condition, gum bleedings and called as scurvy. So what is that? Bleeding gums. Bleeding gums and skin. So that is condition is caused by ascorbic acid. This is only one known as C vitamin is completed. Next one, the complexity of the vitamin B. The vitamin B have 8 different type of vitamins are there. First one, vitamin B1. Vitamin B1. The vitamin B1 is commonly, nothing but scientifically is called as a thiamine. Is known as a thiamine. What is the source of the thiamine? The source of the thiamine is in grains. These are grains, rice, nothing but grains are nothing but rice, rice bran, rice brains, wheat, and vegetables. These are source of vitamin B1. Source of vitamin B1. What is the function of vitamin B1? It is act like a cofactor or nothing but coenzyme. Act like a coenzyme. Coenzyme. It is activation of another enzymes, not like a coenzymes. What is the deficiency of vitamin B1? The deficiency of vitamin B1, it is causing to beriberi disease. Causing beriberi. What is the beriberi? The beriberi is one of the disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1 in the grains, on grains, and polishing, high polishing on grains. The loss of rice bran, loss of brines on grains, it is caused to beriberi. It is caused to beriberi. Nothing but the brines are lost on surface of the grains. It is caused to what is that? Beriberi disease. What is that? Improper function of central nervous system. In proper function of central nervous system, the muscle weakness, it is causing to death approximately up to 10 to 14 days. So this disease first of all affected in Japan. The Japanese are first of all affected. This disease is first of all affected by Japanese. This is known as a B1 vitamin. Second one, vitamin B2. The vitamin B2 is commonly called as a riboflavin. Known as a riboflavin. So what is the source of the riboflavin? The riboflavin, source of riboflavin is majorly the vegetable, oils, yeast and bacteria. What is that? Green vegetables, yeast, etc. What is the function? It is also act like a coenzyme. It is activation of another enzymes, coenzymes. What is the deficiency of B2? Known as childosis. Next one is vitamin B3. So vitamin B3 is scientifically called as a, the source of vitamin B3 is yeast, green vegetables. It is a function, it is also act like a coenzymes. Most of the vitamin B's are act like a coenzymes. The deficiency of vitamin B3, it is causing to pellagra. So this is a vitamin B3. Next one, vitamin B5. Vitamin B5. This vitamin B5 is scientifically called as a pentatonic. These are also available in milk, meat, liver, kidney. What is that? It also act like a coenzyme. What is the deficiency? It is a deficiency of B5. The pentatonic is causing to early aging of the man. So next one, vitamin B6. The vitamin B6 is scientifically called pyridoxine. The source of vitamin B6 is kidney, liver, milk, etc. What is the function? It is also act like a coenzyme. Most of the vitamin B's are act like a vitamin B's are act like a coenzymes. What is the deficiency of B6? It is caused to what is the dermatitis. Dermatitis is nothing but it is the skin diseases. Next one, B7. Vitamin B7. The vitamin B7 is called as a biotin. The source of the vitamin B7 is available in kidney, liver, major of the kidney and liver. So it is a function. It is also act like a coenzyme of what is a carbohydrogenase and decarboxynase. It is a coenzyme like a carboxynase and decarboxynase. Like a coenzyme, these are carboxynase and decarboxynase. Nothing but carboxylated decarboxynase, nothing but these are involvement of the respiration. This deficiency of vitamin B7 it is causing to muscle failure or muscle pain. First one is muscle pain. Second one is dermatitis and failure of the growth. These are vitamin B7. Next one, last one is vitamin B12. The vitamin B12 is scientifically called as a cyanocobalamin. What is the source of vitamin B12? The majority of the vitamin B12 available in liver. Most of the cyanocobalamin available in liver, kidney, eggs. So this also, what is eggs, which are depends on liver and which are available in nothing but source of the liver and kidney. So these are also formation of synthesis of vitamins, eggs. So next one, what is the function? The function of vitamin B12 is a formation of synthesis of RBC. Synthesis of RBC. Next one, the deficiency of vitamin B12, it is leads into pernicious anemia. Leads into pernicious anemia. These are called as a water soluble vitamins. These water soluble vitamins are B and C vitamins are there. First one, B vitamins are water soluble vitamin C, vitamin B. The vitamin C is scientifically called as ascorbic acid. It is the deficiency of ascorbic acid. It leads into scurvy, nothing but bleeding gums. It is the source of acidic fruit, nothing but lemon, pomegranates, so green leaves and vegetables. It is used for the development of the teeth and formation of the gum. The first one is vitamin B1. The vitamin B1 is scientifically called as a thiamine. So this the source of vitamin B1 is grains, rice and rice bran and vegetables. What is the function? What is the function of the vitamin B1? It is act like a coenzyme. It is activation of another enzyme, that is called coenzymes. The causing of nothing but the deficiency of vitamin B1, it is causing of beriberi disease. In the 17th century, the most number of the Japanese are majorly effects of the beriberi disease. It is completely effects on central nervous system and muscles. So the Japanese disease is called as a beriberi. This is commonly called Japanese disease. Vitamin B2 is called as a riboflavin. It is available in nothing but source in green and vegetable and yeast and etc. It is also act like a coenzyme. It is what is the deficiency of vitamin B2? It is causing into what is the chylosis. Vitamin B3, it is scientifically called niacin. It is a source of yeast, green vegetable. It is also act like a coenzyme. It is causing of pellagra. The vitamin B3 it is leads into nothing but causing of pellagra disease. Next one, vitamin B5, it is available in milk, meat, liver and kidney and egg also. Coenzyme, earlier aging of the man. Nothing but the children are look like appearance of like a adults one. The vitamin B6, these are known as a pyridoxine, available in kidney, liver and eggs, milk. It is act like a coenzyme. These are causing of dermatitis in skin diseases. Vitamin B7, it is known as a biotin. It is what is a kidney and liver. It is act like a coenzyme, nothing but carboxylase and decarboxylase. It is majorly deficiency of B7. It is causing to what is that? Dermatitis, failure of the growth and muscle pain. The last one of B complex, vitamin B12. The vitamin B12 is scientifically called as cyanocobalamin. It is a very essential in our body. So it is a presence nothing but the source of the cyanocobalamin is the liver and kidney and egg also. So the synthesis of RBC in liver region. So what is that? It is causing of vitamin B12. It is leads into pernicious anemia. So today we are discussing about the complete information about the what is the water soluble vitamins. Thank you.